Okay, I will turn the controller on. I will then turn the drone on. I will bind the controller to the drone, and I will use my Echo TV phone, which has 802.11 AC, to check for Wi-Fi signal. The Wi-Fi will open up Wi-Fi. It is not showing the drone's Wi-Fi yet. No sign of the drone's Wi-Fi. Oh, now it appears. Now I will try to, it's trying to connect. It didn't connect. I will try again. It will not, it's trying to connect. It will not connect. This is my problem. The Wi-Fi from the drone will not connect to the phone. There seems to be a problem with the Wi-Fi of the drone.